I heard he got his start as an aerial photographer.
Like taking pictures from planes and drones?
Yeah. Buildings, scenic views, stuff like that.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
The only problem was, he didn't stop there.
What do you mean?
Let's just say he kept the camera rolling a little too long, got into some hot water with the wrong crowd.
The government? Evil corporations? Celebrity scandals?
Aliens.
No.
They're out there.
They're totally out there.
What are you two talking about?
Nothing. Work stuff.
Yeah, work stuff.
All right. Just remember, I see everything.
Was that there the whole time?